If you want to install the iOS launcher on the Xiaomi 15T or 15T Pro, then in that case we need to go to the Play Store and we need to download a launcher. So we're gonna go ahead and use search, and we can just simply type iOS launcher in here. There we go. And of course we can find a bunch of different apps that can be used to get the iOS theme or iOS launcher. In my case I'm gonna use this one and I'm gonna install it. Of course, feel free to try any other launcher that you can find over here in the Play Store. All of them work in a pretty similar way, but in this case I'm going to use this specific one. We don't have to grant access to the location, but we can grant access to contacts and some other stuff. Now in here we can also find some additional settings that we can go through, but I think what is one of the most important things that we can do is choose to make this launcher as the default one. Of course we have some ads in the meantime, so we will have to skip them. There we go. Now we're gonna tap on OK and we're gonna switch to the iOS launcher. There we go. And as you can see, we do indeed have the iOS launcher. Now if you go to the app library and there is like some sort of a warning or some error, then in that case you might need to go to the settings of the launcher and just go to the app library. You just might need to open it once, and that should be it. That should be all that you have to do in order to open it. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.